Let me show you how to clean your Scrub Daddy after you've slimed it and decorated it. Yes, these Scrub Daddies can be reused. You can slime them over and over again, or you can actually clean it and then use it for its intended purpose and clean your kitchen sink. I like to store a single Scrub Daddy in these 8-ounce shallow containers. It works perfectly to throw in your school bag or your purse. You can have your Scrub Daddy slime around whenever you need it. So the first thing you want to do is take out your Scrub Daddy, and we want to peel off all the slime that you put on it. That's what I'm going to be doing here. I'm just going to be peeling the glitters, the foam balls, the sprinkles, everything that I added to this, including the clear slime, and I'm setting it back into the 8-ounce shallow slime container. So this process takes a little bit because you have to kind of pick off each little piece, make sure you get in the eyes and the mouth area, all those little holes that are part of your Scrub Daddy. And just keep picking, keep picking. It helps to squeeze your Scrub Daddy because that'll help get some of those glitters out that are kind of embedded a little deeper into the sponge. You know what I was just thinking about? You know when you call a company or you call like a bank or I don't know, you call a school and they put you on hold and you have to listen to music, and it's usually kind of like elevator music, or it's actually, I've listened to some that are pretty annoying and very loud first thing in the morning. But I was thinking, wouldn't that be funny if someone put you on hold and there was ASMR playing? Like, imagine if someone put you on hold and you had to listen to me cleaning this sponge, but you didn't know what the noise was. Anyways, I was just thinking about that. That would be kind of funny. Does anyone think that the more slime and glitter I peeled off of this Power Flower Scrub Daddy, the better the crunch noises became? Let me know in the comments if that's what you think. Okay, so now let's get down to the actual cleaning part. So I filled a bowl with warm water, and then I put in a few pumps of foam soap, and I'm dipping my sponge into that and just kind of squeezing it and cleaning it in the water. I finally felt like it was clean enough, so I ran it under cold faucet water, and here we are. A super clean and fresh Scrub Daddy Flower Power, ready to use however you like. So here we have all the leftover slime. It's a mini slime that's super crunchy. You can keep it in a small container. I think a 2-ounce container would be perfect for this. And it would make a perfect, amazing purse slime, backpack slime. Not sticky, not tacky, super crunchy, and very satisfying to play with. Now, before we end this video, I thought it would be fun to jump back in time about 3 years. I'm thinking 2019, 2018. This was at Slime Expo, New York. I thought it would be fun to set up a slime Scrub Daddy station. So I took my clear gloss and I plopped an 8-ounce on each of them. And I just had it out and people would come by and squeeze it, and they loved it. Everyone loved it so much. I was thinking about it recently because this was all pre-pandemic. And while I did have sanitizer at my booth, not everyone used it, and I wasn't forcing everyone to use it. So I don't know how many hands squeezed and touched this, and I don't know if we'll ever get back to that place where I'm able to ever have the Scrub Daddy sensory bin out at a slime convention ever again, just because of everything that we've been through over the past couple years. Things changed pretty fast. I want to thank you all for watching, and for those of you who haven't had enough, I will close out the video with some ASMR Crunch Scrub Daddy sounds.